Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's section we're going to be treating the non-linear. We're going to be treating the non-linear and we're going to use three methods to solve this. We're going to use the factorization method, the graphical method, and what else? The formula method. Yes. So okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, factorization method. So what we have here is x2 plus 2x minus 3. So now, in this kind of mathematics, you have to look for what you multiply that will give you minus 3, and what you add or subtract that you get 2. So let's check. We have 3 and 1. Minus 3 times 1 minus 3 times 1 give you minus 3. But minus 3 plus 1 will not give you 2. Let's check again. Okay, let's try. Minus 3 and 1. We have minus 1 and 3. We have 2. Sorry, we have 1 and 2, 3. I think that's all. Let's check. Minus 3 times 1 is what? Minus 3. Good. Minus 3 plus 1. Let's check this one. Minus 3 times, so minus 1 times 3, minus 3, correct? Minus 1 plus 3, 2. Okay, let's check this one. Minus this, nope. So we've gotten our answer. Minus 1 and 3. So we have 2 okay, sorry, let's not put it in the bracket for now. Okay, let's just leave it at I have x squared minus x, 1x, you know there's nothing like my 1x, but I'm just showing you, plus 3x minus 3. So this is what we have, and let's share it. So after doing this, we share it like this. So what's common here? X is common. X minus 1 plus, what's common here? 3 x minus 1, because 3 times x, 3x, 3 times minus 1 minus 3. So this and this will go together, because this and this, they're the same. This and this, they're the same. So we have x plus 3. What we're trying to find here is the root, x minus 1. So this is equal to 0. Next up, we're going to leave out all this. We're going to equate both sides to 0. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So when you make x the subject of the form, or you collect like terms, we have x minus 3, x equals to minus 3 here, or x is equals to 1. So on a norm, in economics, we reject anyone that carries the negative sign. So since minus 3 carries the negative sign, our answer is x is equals to 1. But these are our roots. This is the way we solve the factorization method. Next up, we go over to how we solve. Just remember your roots minus 3 and 1. Let's check if the graphical method can show that too. So okay, I've already see my graph. So let's go up, 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 up. Okay, so here it is, the graphical method. The function, now there's a difference between the the quadratic function and the quadratic equation. A function is like this, when this is equal to this, whereas an equation is when it's equal to 0. So we have a table, and we have FP. This range, you have minus 3, that's why I started from minus 3 here, and ended at 2. It's gonna end in 3 or any 1. You can also start here with minus 4, but you should just definitely know the range of everything. So okay, we have from this table, in short, after solving, you can really get to know the one that is your root. This is the root because it has a 0 here, and this is the root. This one here, minus 3 and 1. Are you seeing it's the same with the factorization method? Or see how we solve, how we got this 0. F, the function here, equals to this. So we are going to equate everything minus 3 in all these places we find x. So this is what we did. Minus 3 squared, you're seeing it is the same, plus 2x, 2 3 minus 3 Then when we find minus 3 raised to the power 2 is 9, because minus 3 times minus 3 is positive 9. Minus, how we got this minus? 3 times minus 2 times minus 3 will give us minus 6. That's why this plus sign changed to a minus. Minus 6. 9 minus 6 will give us 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. If you do same for everyone, you have to get all of this. So after getting all of this, we have to draw our graph. Taking the FP on the vertical side and the P on the horizontal side. So when you plot everything, this side is the negative side here, while the positive side for here is this side. Positive side, negative side. So when you're drawing your graphs, you know. So the lines that cuts across this curve is what we have as our roots. So here 0 and 3, minus 3 and 0 and 1. So this is our roots. This is a graphical method of getting your roots. Okay, now you know what the roots are. You can try and solve it so you be sure. And please be careful when you're marking your points so you don't make a mistake. And you know why this is called a non-linear? If you see the graph, it's like this. It's a parabola shape. Unlike a linear, maybe after doing it you have something like this. This is a linear graph, while this one is a parabola or non-linear. This is the parabola. This curve shape is a parabola. That's why it's non-linear. Okay, then last but not least, the formula method. Okay, this is the formula method. Most people tend to forget the formula. It's like this: minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over, everything is dividing all through, all over 2a. Very good. So we have our b as 2 minus 2 now, plus minus, you put your square root. What's your b again? 2 raised to the power 2, that's what? 4 minus 4 times a. The a we have here is an invisible 1 times c. What's our c? Minus 3 all over 2 times 1, that's 2. So we have minus 2 plus minus 4. Let's multiply this out. 4 times minus 3 is what's minus 12. Minus 12 minus this will give us plus 12 all over 2. So we have minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 12 is 16 over 2. So the square root of 16 is what? 4. So we have minus 2 plus minus 4 over 2. That is minus 2 plus, we're going to now share out this plus and minus, over 4 over 2, then, or minus 2 minus 4 over 2. Okay, so let's add up. Minus 2 plus 4 will give us 2 over 2, or when we divide this all through, I have 1. So minus 2 minus 4 give us minus 6. Minus 6 over 2 give us minus 3. Are you seeing? All of them give us the same answers. This is our root. From the formula method to the graphical method down to the factorization method. This is all. This is our roots. We got same roots. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Do subscribe and hit the like button to support me, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Goodbye.